Looking for a really fast way to clean up your garden bed, keep it environmentally friendly without pulling out any of your plants? Hey, I'm Laura, welcome to my channel. Today I'm really quickly going to show you how to clean up your garden bed. So I had 15 plants growing in here this year in the square foot garden. And if you're somebody who does not like to clean up your garden and does not look forward to this time of year, maybe this method is something that might work for you. Next, remove everything from the garden except the plants. This means all of the supports, garden accessories, lights, clamps, ties, covers, anything that will not naturally break down or might get in the way for the third step. The only rule that I follow is not leaving diseased plants, plants that died from disease. Any of that I'm not going to leave in the garden. I will pull that. So the roots are going to break down. They are providing a lot of nutrients for the soil. As well, all the leaves, the nitrogen here, that is going to go into the soil. By keeping the plant cleanup contained inside of the garden bed, you're repurposing what often gets tossed away. The smaller the pieces are, the faster this organic material will break down. Not only did you grow your own food, but you're now ready to grow in the upcoming season. Continue to cover with fallen leaves or cut grass. I am going to be adding some of my compost. Throughout the winter, when everything covers in snow and then it thaws again, all of this is going to seep down into the dirt, and that's going to really help with the plant growth for next year. And I also don't have to do any work if it's already done. I like to make gardening easy. Gardening is one of those funny things because everyone does it a little bit differently, and this way works best for me. So in just a few steps, I have cleared my garden. And I did the exact same thing to this other square foot garden and this garden as well.